The Superman ball lift, starting position. 1. Equipment. Use a soft exercise mat and a medium-sized stability ball. 2. Lie face down on the mat. 3. Place the ball between your lower legs, around the calves or ankles. 4. Extend your arms straight overhead, like a flying Superman. 5. Keep your neck in a neutral position by looking slightly forward or at the mat. 6. Your belly and front hips should be the only points in contact with the mat. 1. Squeeze the ball firmly between your legs. This activates your inner thighs. 2. At the same time, lift your arms, chest, and legs with the ball off the mat. Your knees should come off the mat. Keep arms straight and lift them along with your chest. 5. Hold the top position for 2 to 5 seconds, engaging glutes, hamstrings, lower back, shoulders, inner thighs due to the ball squeeze. 4. Lower your body back to the mat with control. 5. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Please check my next video.